Okay, amazing people. We've got this first example here where we're told a data set is normally distributed with a mean of 15 and a standard deviation of 2. Draw the probability density function for this distribution. In the first instance, we need to draw out a PDF here. So in order to do that, we first just draw our x-axis out, and we can start to put our values along here. Now, in this case here, the values, because we're told the mean is 15, that's going to be that, and we can start to add some other values to this. So in this case here, we're told a standard deviation of 2. So as we draw this, we're just going to move by 2 each time. So if we go up, that's going to become 17, 19, and 21. And if we decrease here, those values are going to lessen. So they're going to be values of 13, 11, and 9. We're just moving according to the standard deviation. Now, what we need to do is draw the actual graph of this. So if the mean is 15, that's going to be the highest point. At 9, that's 3 standard deviations away, and 21 also 3 standard deviations away. Graph is roughly going to look like this. There we go, and that's part A done. Now, the next aspect we're asked to do here is use z-scores to convert each x value into a standardized score. Now, when we're finding a z-score, remember this is z is equal to x minus the mean over standard deviation. So in this case here, we're going to use that formula for each of these. So we've got, for the first one, we've got x is equal to 19. Our standard deviation is 15, and we're dividing that all by 2. So when we work out this first one, we end up with 4 over 2, and that becomes 2. Okay, for the second one now, again, applying the same concept. Effectively, we're just replacing the 19 with the number 15. It's 15 minus 15 over 2. Well, when we take away 15 by 15, we get 0. So 0 divided by 2 is 0. So we've got an answer, or a z-score, of 0 here. And lastly, we've got this one here where we're x equals 9. So this is going to be 9 minus 15 over 2. Now, in this case here, we do get a negative number. We get negative 6 over 2. And when we divide that, we get an answer of minus 3. So these are the 3 z-scores for these scores we were provided with.